look it. Mommy, show the vlog. Mommy,
where are we going today?
I'm going to the party. I'm going to the cruise.
Good morning. It is so early, 5 in the morning. Alright, so Lucia is playing at the playground here. I'm gonna walk to the gate and get a head start and start folding up the stroller. It's so nice to have Jose here for once, so I don't have to do this by myself. Here she is.
My earring fell off.
Your earring. Like it normally shouldn't be like that.
Mommy, where's your...
Alright, we made it to Fort Lauderdale. First stop is baggage claim. So I have not been in this airport in probably like 15 or 20 years, so let's do this. So Jose was like, oh, maybe we should have told them, because we said to like pick us up at the first one, A, because it's closer. But then everyone is in A, so Jose's like, oh, you should probably go down to like further down. But honestly, I don't think that's smart, because a lot of people, it's very hard to like even get over there, because everyone from A is like blocking the way. So it's just kind of, they gotta figure out something better here. Bummer. So here is our hotel. Kind of a bummer because the pool's closed today and tomorrow. They didn't advertise that when we checked in. But yeah, you could see like how close we are to the cruise ships and everything. They're like right down there. Well, this is cargo ships obviously, but we like drove right past the Disney. I don't know if it was Disney Treasure. I couldn't tell, but there was another Disney ship right at the port. Ours is still, I think, a day at sea right now. Alright, so this is a little bit different from some of my normal room tours, but I just wanted to show you how nice this room was here. We have a lovely view of the ocean. And so for this, we're just staying here one night, and I ended up getting just a 1 bedroom, 1 king bed. So we normally sleep with my 4-year-old anyway, so it's like the same as if we're at home. So we just got a king bed. But very nice, a lot of space in this room. And there's some shelving if you're gonna stay. We're only staying one night, but definitely you could even do some work here. There's a large table. There's a little breakfast nook here. We've got some outlets and USB plugs here next to the phone. Looks like it's kind of nice. It seems like I think you can leave tips here even with the QR code. There's an adjoining room here, which we're not going to be joining anyone. It looks like they have provided us a Keurig. I'm assuming this water is free, hoping to use for the Keurig in the morning. And they actually do have a nice room service menu. And then even, so it looks like dinner here, you could get room service ordered from 5 to 10. They have like wings, quesadilla, they have a salad, some sandwiches, so that's kind of nice. And then it looks like there is a $5.99 delivery charge, and then they add 20% gratuity and tax, of course. All right, so then over here we have some drawers for unpacking. I'm assuming this is the mini fridge. Yes. This is the mini fridge if you need to keep anything cool. We have some nice spaces here to put packing cube. It looks like pretty deep. And then we have the thermostat.
Don't touch that. Don't touch it.
And yeah, we even have like, so we have a Oopa Baby Vista stroller. So there's even enough space that we could have put this with our luggage. We're leaving on a cruise tomorrow morning, so we're not completely unpacking everything. So I think we're just going to kind of like wing it and just leave it here. But honestly, we could have probably fit our stroller in this little nook here. And there's also additional, it's an ironing board here and luggage caddy. And of course the safe. And got like a double closet and an iron. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. And then let's just quickly look at the bathroom.
Mommy,
Yes.
I have 6 cents in my luggage.
Oh, funny. All right, so they have provided us a hair dryer.
Mommy, look it.
Oh, funny.
It's that.
Oh, look. And then we have soap and lotion here. That's kind of nice.
6 cents.
So one sink vanity, but we have a lot of counter
6
space.
cents.
And the same thing, there's, looks like shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner.
6 cents.
Yeah, I love the sliding glass doors is nice. And I like this frosted glass here.
Mommy.
Ah, look.
Komen ze nu de klaar blazen met me?